We've got some unboxing to do. So it's an exciting evening at the studio today because there's a lot of stuff happening here, namely the Mac Studio and the studio display. Of course, with the new black Magic Mouse, Magic Trackpad, and the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. So let's do these one at a time, starting with the Mac Studio. Sitting in this thing is a beast of a machine. This is the one with the M1 Ultra 20-core CPU, 64-core GPU, 128 gigs of unified memory, and 4 terabytes of blazing fast SSD. My favorite part about unboxing all these is you can do it toolless. You don't need to bring any blades or whatnot. There's nice little pull tabs for everything you do. So, opening the seal here, let's go. That took a bit of force to pull, but that was so satisfying. I don't know why this reminds me of unboxing a cake. Like, please don't be a cake. Please be an actual Mac Studio in here. I know cake is a bit of a trend these days. Oh, wow, look at that. 2 arrows. I suppose I'm supposed to pull these outwards. And that should reveal the machine itself. It's got quite a bit of heft to it. Oh, I love the power cable already. It's nicely curled up in there. And it's braided. And inside the lid here, there's this designed by Apple in California. I don't think I've ever seen it up there before. And if you follow my channel, the one thing I care about the most is their black sticker. Place you down on the ground. Now let's get all this wrapping off. Let's see. There should be a pull tab right here. Oh, sweet. And it comes off the bottom. Oh. Nice. I don't know what else to say except nice. So no point turning this on without its partner in crime. This is a pretty big box. Let me see. No way this camera's gonna get the pull tab. So let me whip out the best camera in the world. All right, here we go. This big boy. That's one long pull tab. So this is the studio display. It's a 27-inch 5K Retina display. And this one has the height adjustable upgrade to it. Confession to make, I've actually never seen one of these things in real life before. So this is my first time seeing this in real life. I think I feel more comfortable doing it this way. Big, big flap. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, should flip this over. It's one big unboxing. And there's the same 2 arrows asking you to pull them outwards. So, oh, and the box just kind of opens up for you. I'll let this dangle over the back. And here comes the bride. Then I assume the Mac Studio is the groom. Right, let's set this down nice. Let's see what else is in here. Whew, it's a heavy box, I'll give you that. The empty box is very hefty. Okay, there's this. I don't see anything else. So, let me first get this out of the way. Really heavy box. Oof. I feel like I'm missing something. Should I be expecting a power cable? This does not feel like a power cable. Oh, it's the braided Thunderbolt cable. Seeing this makes me happy. And any stickers? Any stickers? Oh, 2 black stickers. So you get 2 black stickers with the display. There's something else in here. Is this what I think it is? Is this the... Can someone get me the polishing cloth that I haven't even unboxed? Yes! This thing! This is the Apple polishing cloth that retails for 99 ringgit here in Malaysia. If this and this are indeed the same price, I think they are, look at that. But sheesh, this is awesome. Like you can see, I bought the polishing cloth, but as of filming this video, I haven't even unboxed it yet. So I'm also, along the way, getting my first look at the polishing cloth. But I digress. Let's get to the display. Okay, there's some pretty interesting stuff going on here, and I think I need to show some of this from my iPhone. So this is what I assume is the power cord that I am missing. It's kind of stuck on the back of the display here. But from the top here, there's yet another pull tab on the monitor itself. I've no idea what happens after I pull this, so it keeps going. And does it come apart? Oh ho. So it's what holds that hinge, that height adjustable hinge, from moving about while it's in transport, I guess. Now for this bit. Oh, there's the release. Let me try and get it out without ripping it, or I think I'm supposed to rip it. I'll just rip it. Okay. There's the power cable. Let me get it out of its little... It's in there. It's very securely in there. Oh, quite long, actually. And check out that height adjustability there. It is so smooth and so effortless. The display literally feels weightless. All right, you guys ready for this? Beneath this protective piece of packaging is the nano-textured version of the Studio Display. So just rip some of that packaging there. It's okay. It's all here to protect the display. That's one final barrier. If there's one thing Apple's getting right about the unboxing experience of the Studio Display, it's creating enough suspense. I need to show you guys this again. From the back of the display, there are 3 arrows for you to choose from. Say, you can start pulling from here, you can start pulling from here, or you can start pulling from here. I'm gonna start pulling from the top one here. See, this arrow. I'm going for this arrow. Oh wait, I think it's supposed to go for all 3 arrows, otherwise you just tear up this beautiful sheet that says Studio Display. So, undoing the 2 side arrows, and now the top arrow. Just making sure there's no 4th arrow hidden on the bottom. Oh, it's fully stuck on every edge. They really want to protect this. I see some vents on top. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Hoorah. Stuck on good. Wow. There's like 1 speck of dust over here. And it's gone. Right, so what are we waiting for? Let's power this thing on. Oh wait, we're waiting to unbox the peripherals. Okay, Magic Keyboard, Magic Trackpad, Magic Mouse. We'll start with the Magic Mouse, which I'm sure we are no stranger to, except this one comes in the really exciting black color. Reminds me of unboxing an iPhone. Oh, look at that beautiful, clean Magic Mouse. And it should come with a cable, shouldn't it? Braided lightning cable! I don't know why, the braided cables make me so happy. And now the Magic Trackpad. See, this one has a pull tab over here. Trust the pull tab. And it should slide out. I'm doing it upside down, I know. Oh. Another braided cable! Hoorah! So it's not just black on top, it's black on the underside as well. That is one gorgeous looking trackpad. And now I'm looking forward to my third braided cable. I mean, the magic keyboard with Touch ID. It's pull tab time again. And out it should come. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. And then plot twist, there's no braided cable. There is. Braided cable number 3. Let's get this out. And in case you're wondering, there's the Touch ID. There, right there. In. And I'm supposed to hook this up to this with the Thunderbolt cable, which I left in the box. And there it is. That Thunderbolt cable that I got so excited about and forgot to remove from the box. There you go. Into the display, into the Mac. Here goes nothing. I don't see a power button on the display, so I assume it should come on its own. There it is! Power button's on the back. Okay, I feel like I need to do this on camera. So let's close up on the power button and let's witness the first boot of the Mac Studio. Of my studio. There it is. That came from the Mac Studio itself. A little lights on. Hey, hello! It's asking me to pair the mouse. I think it's time we whip out one of those braided lightning cables. I'll choose... You know what? I'll choose the one from the trackpad because it was calling out to me. Hello, trackpad braided Type-C to lightning cable. You have the all-important task of being involved in the setup. I was just trying my luck and see if it magically connects. Okay, let's get the keyboard paired. And there it is alive. Right, I'll just set the Mac up real quick. And here we are in macOS Monterey, Apple M1 Ultra, 128 gigabytes of memory, Apple Studio Display, 4 terabytes of SSD. Now, the thing I'm actually most curious to find out on this setup is actually the speaker system on the Studio Display. I hear it's incredible. I hear it's got spatial audio and Dolby Atmos. So I cannot wait to listen for myself. Okay, I've got a track here and I've got my mic here. Join me as I listen to this for the first time. Let's set it to full volume -2 squares. That is loud. That is loud. Okay, I'm happy. So, very raw first reactions to this amazing, incredible setup. So I'm really excited that the studio now not only has a Mac Studio, M1 Ultra, and a Studio Display, but we've also gained 3 pieces of the amazing braided lightning cable and 3 more pieces of the amazing Apple logo sticker. But rest assured, after I've used this machine for longer than, 5 minutes, and actually having used it for some work, I'll be back to tell you more about it. But until then, if you enjoyed this video, perhaps I'll see you in another one, maybe less exciting one, but still another one.